Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk, let's get ready.
The engine ZMZ409 injector is produced by the Zavolsky engine plant. The principle of the motor device is quite simple, which makes it possible to service and repair with your own hands. These power units are intended for installation on cars of the Ulyanovsk automobile plant. Technical characteristics. Production of internal combustion engine 409 began in 2011 by order of UAZ. The new motor was to replace the outdated power units UMZ. Having high technical characteristics and a simple design, this engine became an ideal replacement. Installation of the motor on cars of the Ulyanovsk automobile plant continues to this day. Let's consider what UAZ vehicles received ZMZ 409, UAZ Bars, UAZ Buchanka, UAZ Patriot, UAZ Hunter, UAZ Pickup, UAZ Cargo, UAZ Symbia. Let's consider the main technical characteristics of the engine ZMZ 409 injector. Name characteristic type inline fuel gasoline injection. System injector volume 2, 7 liters, 2,693 cubic centimeters, power 128 horsepower, number of cylinders 4, number of valves 16, cylinder diameter 95 andalt. And 5 mm consumption 13.2 liters per 100 kilometers, cooling system liquid, forced cylinder order 1-3-4-2 in addition to the Euro 3 standard. There are a number of modifications that are worth considering. ZMZ 409.10, the main motor, meets the -2 environmental standard. Power is 143 horsepower, ZMZ 40904.10, analog of 409.10 with a new CPG, new gaskets, DAD, meets the -3 environmental standard. Power is 128 horsepower. It is installed on Patriot, Hunter, Pickup, Cargo. ZMZ 40905.10, analog of 40904.10, meets -4 environmental standard. Power 128 horsepower. It is used in Patriot, Hunter, Pickup, Cargo. ZMZ 4091.10 is a deforced down version of ZMZ 40904.10, another receiver, camshafts, lift 8, phase 240, firmware, meets -3 environmental standard. It is used on UAZ Buchanki. Power 112 horsepower, ZMZ 40911.10, analog of ZMZ 4091.10, DAD, meets -4 environmental standard. It is used on UAZ Buchanki. Power is 112 horsepower, ZMZ 4092.10 is a non-serial motor. Power is 160 horsepower. It is used on Volgas. Power unit description. The 409 engine was designed on the basis of ZMZ 406. All engines have the same block head height, 405, 406, 409. Increased crankshaft stroke up to 94 mm. New piston group with a displacement of 4 mm. The new power unit has not received any other changes. The main oils recommended by the manufacturer and motorists are semi-synthetics with markings 5W30, 5W40, 10W30, 10W40, 15W40, 20W40. The maintenance card does not differ from the 406 and looks like this: 1000-2500 km or TO0, oil and oil filter replacement. 8000 to 10,000 km, TO1, replacement of oil, and air filter, spark plugs, high voltage wires, fuel. 25,000 kilometers, TO2, change of oil, oil filter. 40,000 kilometers, TO3, change of oil, oil and air filter, spark plugs, high voltage wires, valve adjustment. 55,000 kilometers, TO4, change of oil, oil filter, fuel filter, replacement of timing chain and alternator belt. 70,000 kilometers, TO5 and subsequent, oil and oil filter change. Every 20,000 kilometers the fuel and air filter is changed, valves are adjusted. Every 50,000 kilometers, replacement of the timing chain. Every second service requires checking of systems such as valve train, condition of the electronic control unit of the power unit, as well as the performance of sensors. Adjustment of the valve train is carried out after 50,000 kilometers, or earlier if necessary. Often by 70,000 hydrocompensators fail, which must be replaced altogether, because it is not known when the serviceable ones will fail. The valve cover gasket must be replaced every 40,000 kilometers or when leaks form underneath. Malfunctions and repairs. No special faults or problems have been noticed as a result of engine operation. On some models of vehicles it has been noticed that the injectors quickly failed. This problem is easily remedied by replacing all injected elements. The timing chain can last about 200,000 kilometers, but it happens that it does not survive even 100,000 kilometers, as luck would have it. But if the manner of driving only a racer, the resource of the power unit is significantly reduced. Conclusion: the engine ZMZ 409 turned out to be quite good and does not cause any special problems. The only drawback is the spark plugs, installed from the factory, and otherwise there are no problems. Maintenance of the power unit is standard for all engines produced by the Zvolsky engine plant. In conclusion, the engine 409 injector plays a crucial role in optimizing performance and efficiency in modern engines. Understanding its function and maintenance can lead to improved fuel economy and reduced emissions. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a car enthusiast, staying informed about components like the engine 409 injector is essential for keeping your vehicle running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insights on automotive technology.